In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your internet connection on Fortnite PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are a few reasons on why your internet connection might be acting up while playing Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. In this video, I'm gonna go over some basic steps that you can follow to fix this. So first, for some of the simplest fixes, what you can try to do is restart your PlayStation 5. This might seem simple and ineffective, however, a simple restart of your PlayStation 5 and your router or modem can often resolve temporary glitches, so turn them off completely, wait a few minutes or just some seconds, and then power all of them back on in the following order. Make sure that you plug your router or modem first and then your PlayStation 5. Once this is done, see if the connection goes through. If it still doesn't, the other thing that I want to bring up is that usually trying to connect with a wireless connection will give you lower speeds and a much more unstable connection, especially if you have a lot of walls between your PlayStation 5 and the router or modem. If you are willing to and you can, try using a wired connection. This is going to eliminate that delay and potential issues. But I know for a lot of people, this isn't a consideration. So if you absolutely cannot do a wired connection, then try something else. First, in the PlayStation 5 itself, test the internet connection. Usually this is going to give you the exact error and display what needs to be done. Usually you just have unstable connection or it isn't working properly, and by testing the internet connection inside of the actual PlayStation 5, they will be able to pinpoint where the problem is happening, so between the router and the modem and the PlayStation 5, or the PlayStation 5 and the game servers, or your connection strength, and so on. Now, in the network settings, like I said, you will be able to check the strength, and if this still doesn't work, then you can also go into the frequency signal or the options of the network that you are currently connected to and switch it from 2.54 GHz to 5 GHz and see if that helps. 5 GHz is faster, but you need to be closer to the router or modem. If you have a lot of walls between you and the router or modem, then 2.4 GHz is going to be standard. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your internet connection on Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.